Dito na.
I'm gonna cook it. Alright.
Kunin mo yung egg.
I'm gonna put the egg because I don't know how to cook it.
Ganun dyan. Lagyan mo dyan. Sige.
What am I gonna do now?
Pour the egg.
Okay. Straight lang. Now what am I gonna do?
Wait for it.
How am I gonna make a lunch? Oh, so I can just move the trunk. Also, i-move ko lang na pag
Opo. Dali that is enough.
Hey, I made cookies.
I-flip mo.
Now? Ngayon?
Sige, kaya mo yan. Ano ka pa matuto? Flip. Hindi mo ma-flip yan, masusunod.
Well, I can't flip it.
Eh, oh, yan na. Practice pa lang. Sige. Alam mo na. Now you know. Wait for it. Marunong ka na.
Now give me the clay.
Diyan na.
That's it.
Hindi pa po. Wait. Check mo kung wala na. Turn off the heat.
How to set it off? Now I know. Awesome.
Leave it here. Kunin mo na yung food mo.
Now let's cook it.
Be careful.